Hi, this video tutorial is to help you use OneSearch. This video will cover tip number 1, basic searching. On the library's homepage, which can be found at library.sjsu.edu, you will see a search bar here. This search bar is the OneSearch bar, and you can search using title, author, keywords, and more to do a search. We'll be doing a basic search, and to do that, you will just need to type in your search terms. In this case, I'll be looking for the keywords library spaces. You can hit enter to search, or you can also choose a specific collection you would like to search under. In this case, I'm just going to click enter. Additionally, you can also place quotation marks around your search terms so that you look up specifically the search term library spaces and not just library and spaces. So go ahead and click enter and you'll be taken to your search results. Thank you for watching.